If you're looking for a fast, no frills video on how to restring this Skill 40-volt weed eater, you've come to the right place. Let's get going. First of all, take the battery out just so that you don't accidentally trigger it while you're doing it. Then we're going to go to the head side here. Now, if you've got any string left inside, you'll want to take this cap off so that you can take the old string out, and you press these two tabs in here, one here and one here. And if your fingers aren't real strong, you don't have a lot of strength there, you can take a screwdriver, push it up here toward the top, push that in, and then just, while that's pushed in, just lean it up a little bit, and that tab will release. And then same thing, push it up, push that tab in, and lift up, and this will just come right out. From there, you can take out any old string. Next step is to take your string. This can use 0.095 inch diameter, which is what I've got here. Twisted string is typically best, and you can use up to 16 feet, but I generally recommend a little bit closer to 10 to 12 feet. The longer it is, the more chance it has to get bunched up inside. At this point, you find these holes on either side, and you just stick the string, one end of the string, through until it comes out the other side. This weed eater is real easy. You pull the string until you've got the same length of string on both sides of the head. So I'll do that off camera here. So I've got the same length of string there. Now that I've got the same length of string on each side, you can see these arrows here on the cover that are going in a clockwise direction. What you're going to do is hold this red ring with one hand. I'm going to hold it with my left hand. Hold that stationary, and then you're going to turn this big cap in the direction of the arrows clockwise, and every turn sucks that string in. So you're just going to keep doing that. Don't get it twisted around your fingers, but you're just going to keep doing that until that string gets sucked all the way inside. And I've got the string all the way wound. You can see it's a little bit short of that cutting blade, but that's totally fine. We can extend it by just tapping this on the ground with the head spinning and the battery in, and that'll extend the string for us. Boom, perfect string length. This task is super fast. If you're looking for a super fast way to replace a lawnmower blade, riding mower blades especially, check out these links here. I've got some really cool tools and some really fast ways to do that job, make it super easy for you. Appreciate a like and a subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching.